हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब। आशा करता हूँ आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है क्लास 9 लेसन 1 साइंस मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग के एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हमारा पहला प्रश्न है, अकॉर्डिंग टू एशियन फिलोसफर्स मैटर कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स, 4 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स, 5 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स और 6 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स। सो राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, 5 constituents. Now moving to question number 2.
Which of the following
Is not matter? Air, feeling of cold, dust and humidity. So the right option is option B, feeling of cold. Now moving to question number 3. Which of the following statements is not correct? Matter is continuous in nature. Interparticle spaces are maximum in the gaseous state of a substance. Particles which constitute the gaseous state of matter follow a zigzag path. Solid state is the most compact state of a substance. So option A is the right answer. Now moving to question number 4. 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू डैश कैलविन्स. सो अगर हम आपको सेल्सियस को कैलविन में बदलना है तो 273 प्लस करना होता है, और कैलविन को सेल्सियस में बदलना है तो 273 माइनस करना होता है. तो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस 273 विच इज इक्वल टू 273 Kelvin. Okay, now moving to question number 5. Which out of the following does not make sense? कौन सेंस नहीं बनाता है? Solid have fixed shape and fixed volume. We can easily compress a liquid but not a gas. Solids have negligible kinetic energy of the particles. Property of diffusion is maximum in the gaseous state. So the right option is option B. We can easily compress a liquid but not a gas. Now moving to question number 6. What is the correct decreasing order of particle motion in the following? Lemon juice, curd water, lemon juice, water lemon juice, curd lemon juice and water. So the correct option is option C, water lemon juice and curd. Now moving to question number 7. Which statement is false about gases? High compressibility, high fluidity, high density, large volume. So option C is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 8. Point out the incorrect answer. Particles of a liquid are most ordered, move randomly, have large intermolecular spaces, can slip and slide over each other. So option A is the correct option. Now moving to question number 9. Which of the following pairs will not exhibit diffusion? Hydrogen, oxygen, water, salt and sand, sugar and water. So option C is the correct option. Now moving to question number 10. Question number 10 is, which of the following is not the property of a solid? Both shape and volume are fixed. Interparticle spaces are minimum. Particles can move freely within a limited space. Force of attraction between the particles are maximum. So option C is the correct option. Now moving to question number 11. A few substances are arranged in the increasing order of forces of attraction between their particles. Which one of the following represents a correct arrangement? Water, sugar, air, water, air और एयर वाटर शुगर. इसमें हमारे को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में बताना है, तो फिर ऑप्शन डी है वो आपका सही होगा. हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है, विच इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट फ्लूइड्स. फ्लूइड्स के बारे में कौन सी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है? ओनली गैसेस बिहेव एज फ्लूइड, बोथ सॉलिड्स एंड लिक्विड्स बिहेव्स एज फ्लूइड, और ओनली लिक्विड्स बिहेव एज फ्लूइड्स, or both liquids and gases behave as fluids. So option D is the correct option. Now moving to question number 13. Question number 13 is, under which of the following conditions the distance between the molecules of oxygen gas would increase? So इसमें नीचे पहले condition दी है, पहले हम उसको पढ़ लेते हैं. Increasing pressure on oxygen contained in a closed container, some oxygen gas leaking out of the container, increasing the volume of the container of oxygen gas, adding more oxygen gas to the container without increasing the volume of the container. So इसमें जो सेकंड एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन है वो सही है. तो जो इसमें ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन ए में फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड है, ऑप्शन बी में फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ है, ऑप्शन सी में सेकंड एंड थर्ड है. सो जो हमारा ऑप्शन सी होगा वो करेक्ट होगा. नाउ मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Which one of the following is an incorrect statement? Cooling is produced during melting. The temperature changes steadily on heating. Steadily on heating. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Once melting starts, the temperature stays 0 degrees Celsius unit until all the ice has melted. So option A is the correct option. Cooling is produced during melting, which is an incorrect statement. Now moving to question number 15. Melting is an endothermic process, an exothermic process, both or none. So option A is the correct option. Now moving to question number 15. When heat is supplied to a solid substance, the kinetic energy of the particles increases, the potential energy of the particle increases. The kinetic energy of the particles decreases, the potential energy of the particles decreases. So option A is the correct option. The kinetic energy of the particles increases. Now moving to question number 17. In summer we prefer wearing dark nylon clothes, white cotton clothes, white silk clothes or dark silk clothes. So option B is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 18. Solids cannot be compressed because constituent particles are very closely packed. Interparticle attractive forces are weak. Movement of constituent particles is restricted. Constituent particles diffuse very slowly. So option is the correct option. Constituent particles are very closely packed. Now moving to question number 19. Question number 19 is, a gas can be best liquefied by increasing the temperature, by lowering the pressure, by increasing the pressure and lowering the temperature. None of these is correct. So option C is the correct option, by increasing the pressure and lowering the temperature. Now moving to question number 20. The evaporation of a liquid can be best carried in a beaker, china dish, test tube or flask. So option B is the correct option. Now moving to question number 21. When water solidifies to ice, the heat is absorbed, evolved, no change. Heat may be absorbed, evolved or absorbed. So option B is the correct option, evolved. Now moving to question number 22. If the external pressure decreases, boiling point of water increases, decreases, may increase or decrease, does not change. So option C is the correct answer. During evaporation, particles of a liquid change to vapor only from the surface, from the bulk, from both surface and bulk, neither from surface nor from bulk. So option A is the correct answer, from the surface. Now moving to question number 24. During boiling of a liquid, temperature remains constant, kinetic energy increases, temperature increases, density of water increases. So option A is the correct answer, temperature remains constant. Now moving to question number 25. Water kept in earthen pots become cool during summer due to evaporation, diffusion, vaporization and great surface area. So option B is the right answer. When liquid starts boiling, the further heat energy which is supplied is lost to the surroundings, as such increases the temperature of the liquid, increases the kinetic energy of the particles in the liquid, is absorbed as latent heat of vaporization by the liquid. So option D is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 27. 10 degree Celsius temperature is equal to, अगर हमारे को डिग्री को, अगर हमारे को सेल्सियस को केल्विन में बदलना है तो 273 प्लस करना पड़ेगा. 10 प्लस 273 इज इक्वल टू 283. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 इज, द स्टैंडर्ड रूम टेम्परेचर इज टेकन एज 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 273 K, 298 K और 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 298 K। और आपको कमेंट में बताना है कि 298 K कितने सेल्सियस के बराबर होता है। Now moving to question number 29. Absolute zero is the temperature at which all liquids freeze, all liquids get converted to the gaseous state, densities of all liquids are negligible, or molecular motion in the gaseous state ceases. The correct option is option D, molecular motion in the gaseous state ceases. Now moving to question number 30. The heat absorbed when 1 kg of a liquid changes to gaseous state at the boiling point temperature is known as latent heat of fusion, latent heat of sublimation, latent heat of vaporization or specific heat. So option C is the correct answer, latent heat of vaporization. Now moving to question number 31. Which of the following process or processes release energy in the form of heat? So पहले तो नीचे जो कुछ हमारे को प्रोसेस बताए हैं उनको पढ़ लेते हैं। कंडेंसेशन है, वेपोराइजेशन है, फ्रीजिंग एंड मेल्टिंग है। सो इसमें जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है कंडेंसेशन और फ्रीजिंग। तो इसमें जो नीचे दिया है वो है ऑप्शन ए है ओनली फर्स्ट। तो फर्स्ट तो आएगा पर साथ में थर्ड भी है, तो फर्स्ट नहीं होगा, ए नहीं होगा, बी भी नहीं होगा, फोर्थ तो है ही नहीं, सी है first and third. So option C is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 32. The favorable conditions for the liquefaction. The favorable condition of the liquefaction for the gases are low temperature, low pressure, high temperature, low pressure, low temperature, high pressure, and high temperature and high pressure. Now option B is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 33. Which energy is absorbed during the change of state? Specific heat, latent heat, heat capacity, or heat of sublimation? So option B is the correct answer, latent heat. Now moving to question number 34. The boiling point of methane is minus 70 degrees Celsius. It is equivalent to, so हमारे को minus 70 degree plus 273 is equal to 203 K. So option A is the correct option. Now moving to question number 35. Which of the following represents sublimation? Solid to solid, solid to liquid, solid to gas, and liquid to gas. So option C is the correct answer, solid to gas. Dry ice is the best example of sublimation. Now moving to question number 36. In which scale the word degree or the sign is used? So इसमें जो साइन है, साइन मैं आपको अभी बता देता हूँ। जो साइन लगता है वो कुछ इस तरह का लगता है। तो इसके जो स्केल है वर्ड डिग्री और जो साइन होता है आप जो मैंने आपको बताया वो इज नॉट यूज्ड सेल्सियस, फ़ारेनहाइट, केल्विन और ऑल ऑफ दिस। तो ये केल्विन में नहीं लगता है। वो जो साइन है वो कुछ इस तरह का दिखता है जो अभी हमने इस ब्रैकेट के अंदर लगाया है। सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. 4 containers of the same size carrying equal volume of water were kept under different conditions. The rate of evaporation will be fastest in the container kept under a tree, in the open area, in the room, below the moving fan, in the veranda. या जिसको हम अपनी देसी भाषा में कहते हैं बरामदा। So option D is the correct answer, below the moving fan in the veranda. Now moving to question number 38. A liquid may evaporate at specific temperature, cold temperatures, at room temperature only, below the BP temperature. So option B is the correct answer or correct option. So now moving to question number 39. Which physical property is measured in Pascal जिसका साइन है PA, P बड़ा A छोटा, लेंथ फोर्स, टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर। सो जो पास्कल है वो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी मेजर करता है प्रेशर की। Now moving to question number 40. Rate of evaporation, diffusion and expansion of gases increase upon increasing surface area, pressure, temperature or none of these. So option C is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 41. In which state of matter process of diffusion is fastest? Liquid, gases, solid or semi-solid? So option C is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 42. Evaporation is called as surface phenomena, bulk phenomena, both surface and bulk phenomena or unique phenomena. So option A is the correct answer. 43 question है, during evaporation process the heat is absorbed, evolved, first absorbed then evolved, or initially evolved and then absorbed. So option A is the correct option, absorbed. Now moving to question number 44. Boiling process is a surface phenomena, bulk phenomenon, both surface and bulk phenomena, or rare phenomena. So option B is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 45. The state of matter which is found in the more stable at lower temperature, a solid, liquid, gas or BEC. So the BEC full form is Bose-Einstein condensed और स्टेट है ये. तो BEC इज जो इसकी फुल फॉर्म है वो है बोस आइंस्टाइन कंडेंस्ड स्टेट. नाउ और जो इसका सही ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन ए. नाउ मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. द गैसेस कैन लिक्विफाइड बाय लोअरिंग टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर, रेजिंग टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर, lowering temperature and raising pressure, lowering pressure only. So option C is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 47. Intermolecular forces of attraction are least effective in solids, gases, liquids and plasma. So option B is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 48. Evaporation of a liquid takes place at a fixed temperature lower than its boiling point, a fixed temperature higher than its boiling point, a fixed temperature and pressure, all temperatures. So option D is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 49. When water gets solidified into ice, the heat is absorbed, evolved. First absorbed, then evolved, initially evolved and then absorbed. So option B is the correct answer. हमें इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. पहले पूछा था कि जो आइस है वो जो आइस है जब वो जो वाटर है आइस में बन जाता है तब हीट क्या होती है, इवॉल्व होती है. तो ये पूछा है इन्होंने इनडायरेक्टली पूछा है कि जब वाटर सॉलिडिफाइड होता है इनटू आइस, यानी जो सॉलिडिफिकेशन एक प्रोसेस है टू लिक्विड टू सॉलिड. सो हमें इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. Now moving to question number 50. Boiling of a liquid takes place at a fixed temperature lower than its boiling point, a fixed temperature and normal atmospheric pressure, a fixed temperature higher than its boiling point, a fixed temperature and higher atmospheric pressure. So option B is the correct option. Now moving to question number 51. Arrange the following in the increasing order of force of attraction: water, air, sugar, salt, air, juice, oxygen, water, sugar, sugar, oil, air. So option C is the correct option, oxygen, water and sugar. Now moving to question number 52. Which condition out of the following increase the evaporation of water? Increase in temperature of water, increase in pressure of water, decrease in surface area of water, adding sugar to water. So option A is the correct option, increase in temperature of water. What will be the correct sequence of temperature when 25 degrees Celsius, 46 degrees Celsius and 99 degrees Celsius are converted to Kelvin scale? So 25 plus 273 298 आ गया, 46 plus 273 319 आ गया. So 298 और 398 वाले कौन से ऑप्शन है? So B C D है जिनमें 298 है, 319 COD है. So 99 plus 273 is equal to 382. So option D is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 54. क्वेश्चन नंबर 54 इज विच इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, इसमें से कौन सी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है? ऑप्शन ए, कन्वर्जन ऑफ सॉलिड इनटू लिक्विड इज कॉल्ड sublimation. Conversion of vapors into solid without passing through the liquid state is called sublimation. Conversion of solid into vapors without passing through the liquid state is called vaporization. Conversion of vapors into solid without passing through the liquid state is called freezing. So इसमें जो सही ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन बी, conversion of vapors into solid without passing through the liquid state is called sublimation. Now coming to question number 55. Convert 295 Kelvin is equal to Celsius. So 295 minus 273. So answer is 22 degrees Celsius. Now moving to question number 56. How many tiny particles are there in one crystal of KMnO4? 1, 100, dozen or millions? So option D is the correct option. Now moving to question number 57. On heating, diffusion becomes slower, faster, moderate or stringent. So option B is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 58. How many states of matter are there? So there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now so option B is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 59. Due to high speed of particles and large space between them, gases show the property of scattering, diffusion, condensing or rigidity. So the correct option is option B, diffusion. So now moving to question number 60. The intermolecular spaces between the molecules are maximum in solids, liquids, gases or Bose-Einstein condensed states. So option C is the correct option. Now moving to question number 61. In form of matter which is more stable at high temperature is solid, liquids, gas or all. So option C is the correct option. Now moving to question number 62. The intermolecular attraction forces are minimum in solids, liquids and gases. Solid, liquid, gas or none. So option A is the correct option. Now moving to question number 63. The physical state of water is at 10 degrees Celsius is solid, liquid, gas or none. So option B is the correct option. Now moving to question number 64. Which is not a matter? Air, smell, chair or cold drink? So option B is the correct answer. Smell matter नहीं है. The state of matter which is highly compressible is, जो highly compressible है. Now moving to question number 65. The state of matter which is highly compressible is solid, liquid, gas or none. So gas is the correct option. Now moving to question number 66. 300 K may be written as 300 degrees Celsius, 27 degrees Celsius, 127 degrees Celsius or 573 degrees Celsius. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 67 है, the fastest process is evaporation, boiling, fusion or sublimation. So option B is the correct option. Now moving to question number 68. Freezing point of a pure water is 273 K, 273 degrees Celsius minus 273 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 546 K. सो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. अगर 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस भी आ जाए तो वो भी करेक्ट है क्योंकि 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस किसके बराबर है? 273 K के. नाउ मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 69.
Evaporation causes cooling, heating, no change in temperature, or cooling or heating. So the correct option is option A, cooling.
The substance which can exist in the 3 state easily is air, mercury, water और camphor. So water is the correct option because ये solid में ice है, liquid में water है और gaseous form में water vapors है. So अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आने वाली ऐसी वीडियो का पता आपको सबसे पहले लग सके. धन्यवाद.